welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very refreshing agua fresca. It's a kiwi passion fruit juice that I know you guys are going to love, especially in this hot weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. A pinch of salt, granulated sugar, kiwis, passion fruit pulp, water, and ice. This is everything we need to make this delicious and refreshing agua fresca. So let's get started. I want to start by making my simple syrup. I have 1 cup of granulated sugar, and to this I'm going to add half a cup of just water. Let's go to the stove and start cooking and making our simple syrup. You could see the granulated sugar on the bottom of the saucepan. A couple minutes later, you start seeing that the water is getting a little bit yellow. That's a good indication that the sugar has dissolved. But we need to see the water nice and clear, just like that. When you see it nice and clear, then it's time to remove from the heat and add it to a cup. And here I have my kiwis, and let's go to the sink and start rinsing one by one and rubbing them in between my hands, making sure that I clean them really good. After this is done, I'm going to start with the kiwis, and I'm going to start cutting the sides, making sure that I take the skin off completely, but yet I don't want to remove none of the pulp, none of the meat inside of the kiwi. So please take your time when you're doing this step. You want to make sure that you only take off the skin. Once they are nice and peeled, then I'm going to start slicing them and cutting them in little squares, in little cubes, just like this. Look at this. You want all of them almost to be the same size. I'm going to reserve one, and I'm just going to slice it in circles. I'm going to go ahead and put some here. I have my passion fruit here, and I'm going to add just a couple of tablespoons to the mixture of the kiwis, and I'm going to put them aside. I want to show you how my passion fruit looks, the pulp. This is organic, so that's why you see the little seeds in there. But when you buy it at the supermarket, you're only going to be purchasing the passion fruit pulp with no seeds at all. But remember, I have a vine here at home, so mine have the seeds. And right now, I'm going to go ahead and remove the seeds. And it really doesn't take too long. I'm going to add the passion fruit pulp here into my blender cup. I'm going to add just a little bit of water, and let's go ahead and blend it for just a couple seconds. You only want to blend it for just a couple seconds. And after you do that, let's go ahead and put it through a sifter. We want to make sure that we remove all the seeds completely from the juice. And I'm going to go ahead and just whisk until I get all these little seeds out completely. I'm going to add my pinch of salt. To this, I'm going to add my simple syrups. And remember, the simple syrup is to taste. I am going to incorporate everything. I'm adding just a little more of water, and let's incorporate everything. Now let me taste it. This tastes amazing. I don't need to do anything else. And of course, I have my pitcher here already with the kiwis and the slices of the kiwi, and now I'm just adding the delicious passion fruit juice. Look at this. This looks amazing and refreshing. And of course, I have already my glass, and I fixed the glass exactly the same way, adding the little pieces of kiwi in there. Let me show you how this looks. I know that this looks amazing, and it's so refreshing and nice and cold, especially in this hot weather. Try it. Give it a taste, and I know you guys are going to love it. I can't wait to taste it and enjoy it. So I'll see you in just a little bit. Completely done with this delicious kiwi passion fruit juice. You know, there is nothing like homemade aguas frescas. You add what you desire to them. But this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my aguas frescas, especially in this hot weather. Let's see how it came out. You know, I wish you were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. The little pinch of salt really brought up the delicious flavor of the passion fruit and the kiwi. Definitely something refreshing made at home. If you like and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share my video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Remember, only with your help, Cooking with Gloria will keep growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated so every time I make a delicious recipe, yes, you are going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay refreshing myself with this delicious kiwi passion fruit made at home. See you on my next delicious recipe. Bye-bye.